Willkommen zum neuen Video hier aus Kroatien. Ja, wir sind hier in Novigrad. Wir sind jetzt, glaube ich, hier 9 Stunden hergefahren. Morgens direkt um 5 Uhr los. Ja, und jetzt sind wir hier gerade angekommen. Ja, ein traumhaftes Hotelzimmer. Ich zeige euch mal kurz hier ein paar Bilder. So sieht es hier aus. Ja, und jetzt ganz viel Spaß hier bei den Impressionen aus Kroatien. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map, everywhere. The tank said E and we all agree that we're just too broke to fill it back up, so we left your truck on the road with road. Then we found a motel with a cigarette smell, so we knew we're close. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map, everywhere. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road. But don't get left behind on the road. Left behind on the road. Don't get left behind on the road. We play Tupac, Shellac, and we turn our music up when he raps about hope. We hold our thumbs high and hope someone is kind enough to give us all a ride. And we wouldn't have a clue if we'd make it back to or even where we'd go. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. A Ford stopped on the street, said where you trying to be. We said we don't really care, we'll know it when we're there. We took on down the road, he flipped on his radio. Santeria started slow, so we knew that we were close. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road. 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 Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. So, das war's mit dem Video hier aus Kroatien. Ihr habt es ja gerade gesehen, wir waren in Poreč, in Rovinj und hier in Novigrad. Lohnt sich auf jeden Fall mal hier herzukommen. Ja, wenn es euch gefallen hat, lasst einen Daumen nach oben da, lasst ein Abo da und dann sehen wir uns im nächsten Video. Ciao!